Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will show you how to hide your career from your Valorant account. So, nobody can see your career, nobody can see your wins or your lose. And basically how you can actually do it. First of all, I will need you to go ahead and open your Riot Games clients, log into your account and launch Valorant. After that, as you can see here, if we want to play and we want to career, this is my career, this is my games and act, rank, and etc. So how can I actually hide them? Well, let me just show you a sneak peek of something that you might don't know. So let's say, for example, I went to this game, scoreboard, and this is a random player that played with me last game. So if I clicked right into it, I don't really have the option to check his career. And the same goes for him. So, guys, nobody can actually check your career. Unless you added them to your friend list. So, if I went to this list over here and I clicked right into them, view career, as you can see, I can see his career properly. I can see his rank and his act rank and the previous rank that he got in the previous acts. So that's how it works. So this is all the ranks that he got. Maybe he didn't play in the previous ranks. But yeah, the only way to actually see your career or other people's career is by adding them to your friend list. So the only way to hide your career is to remove all your friends, and typically this is kind of impossible because you need friends to have fun in game, etc. Also, there is this thing which is in the custom game. If you want to options from here and you want to hide match history, the game that you play in the custom game will no longer be appeared in your career and then nobody can see them. So yeah guys, that's how you can hide your career from some people. So thank you a lot for watching and see ya in the next tutorial.